In this dashboard, all the insights here are fetching data from one single table, which has around 150 million rows. Now, if you use a prompt filter like store key, for example, let's look at the performance of that prompt filter. So transaction type only has two values. Let's select purchase here, and store key has around 250 unique values. So now let's apply this filter. Let's go back again here and try to select store key. Now this is fetching 150 unique values from a table with 150 million records, and you can see the performance of this LOV. So this can be improved. The way you can improve this is find out if you have a parent table on top of this table which has been used here, which has joined between, say, store table and this retail sales table. If there is, then you should be using store key prompt filter from the parent table, not from the driving table or this table. Now I know that the join exists between store table and the sales table. So I should be using prompt filter from the store table. Even if the join doesn't exist, you can create a new table with 150 unique or 250 unique values from store and join that table to the driving table, and then use prompt filter from the parent table. Let's see the performance when I do that. So let's go to manage dashboard filters, and this is coming from store key from retail _mv _s dot sales table, right? And I know that there's a join between sales table and store table. So let's remove this from here and go to the manage data set and include the store table from here. And from store table, now I'm going to fetch store key and add this to the prompt filter. Okay, and let's save this. And in this table also, I can go back to retail store table. I can show you the join by bringing in store key from here, from the store table. So this is a parent table, this is child table. And now if I see the query plan, you will notice that in the query plan, there is a parent table also, right? Earlier, what I was doing was I was using store key from the sales table. So if you see the query plan here, it's just one table. We should not be doing that. We should bring it from parent table, which is store. And the query plan now will show you that store key is coming from the parent table, right? Which only 250 rows, because there are only 250 stores. Let's save this. Now let's look at the performance again for the prompt filter. So I'll do exactly same operation. I'll filter it by purchase, click on apply. And now if I go to store key, it will bring it immediately all the 250 rows, right? So if I change the transaction key to include both, and then if I go back here, go to store, it brings all the rows immediately. There is no performance impact at all, because these 250 rows are coming from a very small table, which is a parent table, to the sales table, which is a driving table. So this will of course improve the performance of LOV for the prompt filter.